In this tutorial, I want to show you how to actually mine ATF profitably. All right. So normally people are saying it's pumping, it's pumping, it's pumping. But what's the utility behind this ATF token? How are you going to mine it? How are you going to withdraw it? How are you going to sell it? That is what I want to tell you in this video and my own review, my own personal experience and withdrawal proof. All right. So having said that, welcome to Solid Crypto Academy, and we share updates here every 3 days. So make sure you subscribe and also stay active on your notification. Having said that, let's go to the main tutorial. All right. So the first thing is you need to use the referral code in the description of this video in the comment section so that you can join, so that they won't call you a bot, right? So when you come to the dashboard here, the first thing you need to do is to click on this mine. So when you click on this mine, you will see the place to start. You just click on start. All right. So when you click on start, it will start mining. You don't even need to come back and mine it every day. All right. You don't need to come back and mine it every day. You mine automatically, just like the way it is reading on my dashboard as you're seeing it here. All right. So another thing you need to understand is that you can actually use your hand to press this place. When you press this place, it will go to max speed. Look at it. So you can see that is on max speed right now. Max speed. All right. So having said that, you can click on this question mark to read the token tokenomics and their future like they want to be transparent, you understand? So you can read everything and also visit their website to understand that. All right. But what is giving this token? What is the utility behind it? What they do actually is that the the meaning of the ATF is AI trading forex. So according to the team, what they do is that the profit they see from trading forex, they put it here to buy back this token. And I've actually done my own research on it before I actually deposited anything, right? And my research, I found out that the team only have like 16% of the token, which is not bad, right? The rest is to the community. The community have the rest, all right, which is actually good for a token like this, all right? So what people are not telling you is that if you just join like that and you do not deposit anything, you won't see anything tangible. It takes time to mine. All right, it takes time to mine. All right, let me show you something. All right, so one thing that people are not telling you is that, like for me, before I say let me invest in this, one of the things I discovered is that here, you know, most of those projects they will tell us that we should deposit inside their site or inside their bot. But here, you're not even depositing inside your site or the bot. And I forgot to tell you that you need to connect your Tonkeeper or Telegram wallet, but I always prefer using Tonkeeper. All right, you need to connect your Tonkeeper to this uh bot before it works. So one of the things that made me very excited about this project is that you don't need to transfer the token here, because when you transfer the token here, the team now have to decide if you can withdraw it or not. But you just have to hold the token inside your Tonkeeper. What does that mean? If there's a bad news, you can just click on sell or swap and you just swap immediately. That's why I was saying, okay, I'm going to buy this token and I'm going to see it. All right. So I did that. And okay, let me explain the dashboard first. So when you click on this place, you'll see task. So on this task, you can just this task always update about 1 hour 30 minutes every time. So you can use this. You can just click on it and perform the task. The task is maybe react on Telegram, retweet their latest Twitter post. It's very simple. Then when you come to this friends, this one of course you need to refer your friends if you want, which is not mandatory. So if you want, you can refer your friends, and before your friends can, before your what's it called now? Your friends can count. They must start mining, which I already explained that you need to click on this particular place. If you don't click on it, you won't be able to mine, right? So you see all this not active is because they didn't know how to do it, and why is one of the reasons why I'm actually doing this tutorial, so that they will know how to do it. All right. So when you invite friends, you will get 100 ATF. Apart from that, when they start mining consistently, you start claiming here. So you can see, even though I claimed recently and I withdraw today, even this morning, and I still have 3 ATF to claim. So if I want to claim, I just click on claim. So you can see it here. All right. So when you come to your profile, this is the main thing. Please listen. Okay. When I deposited $20, right, into the Tonkeeper, and I swap it to what's it called now? To ATF. But you can see here the $20 is already $30, because the community adoption of this token is really, really high. All right. So make sure you do something after watching this video. It's not a financial advice, but I can tell you the risk is more less here. All right. So there is one thing that people are shouting. Did I have to verify? To verify, you don't even need your national ID card or something. What you need is, they tell you to write. They say on the sheet of paper, write your Telegram ID and TG ID. Sign the paper and add today's date. Write ATF in large letters. So they want to make sure you are not a robot. But then this is not even mandatory. You can see on my dashboard, I have not even verified anything. You can see I've not verified anything on my dashboard. Okay. Let me go back to that place. Okay, I'm back. All right, so I've not verified anything. If you can see my dashboard here, you can see they say you should verify, and I've withdrawn countless time. I even withdraw this money. All right, so look at this open. You can see the date. My last withdrawal is here, 8:16, 8:04. That is 8 a.m. this morning Nigeria time, right? So if you want to withdraw, how do you withdraw? Just click on this withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is 500 ATF. So if you want to withdraw, just click on withdraw. Then you click on mass. All right, you click on mass. I cannot withdraw this because it's still less. You click on mass and you click on confirm. But one of the things about the mining is that the more you deposit inside your Tongue wallet, your Tonkeeper, the faster it mines for you. So you can say I have 45,000 ATF. All right, that is why the bot is fast. If you don't deposit anything, the bot is going to be extremely slow. And you can see my level here. When you click on this miner, you see my level, and you can see I'm at $30, 30.2 dollar here. And if I want to move, I need to be at 45,477 ATF. All right, I hope that is understood. Don't allow anybody to lie to you. If you don't deposit something, your it's in mind, but your before you get that 500 ATF, it's going to take much time. So let's go to Tonkeeper. Let me explain how you want to buy or sell it. Please, if you have gained value already, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and also join our community. We post update 24/7, 24/7, and I will make sure I provide the best value. All right. Having said that, let's go to the Tonkeeper. All right, so this is the Tonkeeper, and when you come to the Tonkeeper, you need to buy gram, right? You know, Telegram wallet in connection with Ton blockchain changed their name to Gram recently. So you're not buying Ton right now, you are buying Gram. So to buy Gram, you just go to your Bybit, and you buy Gram, you send it here to your Tonkeeper. So after sending it to your Tonkeeper, you can see this is my ATF. You know, I show you is 45,000 on that bot just now. So how do you sell this if you want to sell this? Very simple. And that is why I say it's more safer when they tell you to hold on your wallet. Tokens that with history, projects that tell you to hold on your wallet are usually very, very good to go. Look at Coti. I hold Coti then when they are running all those their points. You understand? So I can tell you this is one of the legit one. When they tell you to deposit inside their wallet, inside their site, you should hold it in their bot. That is when there is an issue. And if these people said that, I wouldn't have actually do tutorial on it because I wouldn't deposit. You understand? But then okay, let me show you how to swap. To swap, you just click on this. After you deposited your gram, you just click on gram, right? When you click on gram, you wait for it to load. Then you are not buying, you are selling actually because you want to sell it to ATF. So you click on sell, and when you click on sell, you come down here. You can click on mass depending on how many gram you want to swap to the token. You just click on this place. You just click on this place and you search for ATF. So when you search for ATF, you will see it. Make sure you see this logo is very important for you to spot, right? So you click on this ATF, then you click on it, then you click on mass. When you click on mass, the system will read it, they will tell you the amount you get, and you click on confirm. That is it. Very, very simple to go. The same way, if you want to sell it, you just click on this place, make sure that the ATF is upward, while gram is downward. You understand? When you click on mass, they will tell you the equivalent in gram or USDT. You can convert it to anything, any of those tokens you want, right? You can convert it to any of these tokens you want. That is how you buy or sell ATF. Make sure you buy. Make sure first to use my link to join. All right, and then for the legitimacy, you can see there's the community adoption on this token because they just crossed 500k users, like monthly users on that bot. So honestly, I'm getting more confidence than ever on this token. All right, so this is not a financial advice. I'm just trying to show you what I do, all right, and how I tested it out. From now, I'm going to deposit more, all right, deposit more and swap it to the token so that I can get more. But then you can just start with your own. You can start with $10, depending on your own power. You understand? You can just start that, all right. So please see you in the next video. Make sure you like, share with your friends, and also join our communities across all social medias, right? So wait for my next tutorial.